Bitcoin, the most expensive money in the world. But how does Bitcoin actually work? Let me show you the answer in code. Everything starts with one little block, and I am the god of this block. As a god, I will need more blocks. Each block needs a number for being ordinal, so I give them an index property, and I also like to know their birth. Then I want to make them unique. For doing that, I can use a hash function, a mathematical algorithm that converts data of any size into a fixed size string. That means when you pass a string to a hash function, it will do some math and make this. I use that and set every one of my blocks with a unique hash. Now they need security, and Unity can provide. But how am I supposed to create that? This is a chain. Creating a chain is like just connecting each item to the previous item. Can I convert blocks into a chain? Each block has to save the previous block's hash. If someone wants to change a block's hash, the chain will be invalid. If someone wants to change the previous block's hash, it will also be invalid. This is the blockchain. Each blockchain has difficulty for mining blocks. The mining function uses the CPU to do some mathematical algorithm to find a hash that starts with a fixed number of zeros. Difficulty chooses how many zeros it should be. For Bitcoin, it's something like 18 to 20 zeros. And with my laptop, it may take years. Millions of years to mine just one block. I also create a function that tells me every time if the blockchain is still valid or not. Also, the mining function is not that hard. I just add a number that increases by 1 every time the hash doesn't have enough zeros. I change the coin name and mine it with different difficulty levels.